Hello developers, today we are going to dive into how to read PDFs using Node.js and the IronPDF library. So first things first, let's install the IronPDF library, and I am using command npmi at ironsoftware/ironpdf. And remember, if you still need to install the IronPDF binaries, now is the time to do so. All right, now that IronPDF is installed, let's start by having a look at our pre-written code. So we start by importing IronPDF document and IronPDF global config from the @ironsoftware/ironpdf package. So we'll start by importing those necessary modules, PDF document and IronPDF global config from @ironsoftware/ironpdf. And these enable us to work with PDFs effectively. In our asynchronous function, create PDFs, we first set up our license key in IronPDF config, and that's crucial for accessing all areas of IronPDF. Next, we use PDF document.open to open a PDF file named label.pdf. And this method is asynchronous, so that makes sure that our file is fully ready for operations. So once the PDF is opened, we're going to extract its text and metadata. The extract text method gets all of the readable text, and metadata fetches the PDF's metadata like author and creation date. Finally, we're going to log this extracted data to the console for review. So let's run our code now. We go to the terminal and we type node your file name.js and just watch while the code executes. As you can see, it's currently executing. Okay, here's the output. So as you can see, the text from the PDF is displayed first, followed by the PDF's metadata, and this includes information and details about the PDF's creation, author, date, and more. And that's how you read PDFs using Node.js and the IronPDF library. It's a really straightforward process, and it's going to open up a world of possibilities for handling PDFs in your Node.js applications. That's all for now. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronPDF, we have a free trial for you. There's a link in the description down below. So just hit that and you can sign up on our site, start downloading the software and experience it for yourself.